It doesn't smell as bad as I thought.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Doesn't, right? Famous last words.
I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over. You keep missing our fights, even though they're so overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time.
Wow. This hands down the best. Tong Hua Night Market. That's why I purposely choose this 今大滷肉饭. I know another popular one is the 金凤卤肉饭. I see the meat as compared to the 今大 here, right? Like you see here, they all use a lot of the fatty bits. So it's damn shiok lah. But I think if you don't like the fatty part of the meat, right, then maybe here won't be very suitable. But wow, damn shiok. Falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind. My body and mind.
828 meters, Burj Khalifa is currently the tallest building in the world, where previously Taipei 101 was the tallest building in the world.
So why are we here if this is not the tallest building in the world?
This is the tallest building in Taipei.
Oh.
We're gonna go to the tallest building in the world that you can, but it's in Abu Dhabi.
Then have you been to the tallest building in Singapore?
What's that? Which building there?
Don't know. So what's so special about the tallest building in Taipei? If we never go to the tallest building in Singapore.
So what's the tallest building in Taipei?
Taipei 101 ah.
Cut. What's the tallest building in Singapore? Google.
So the tallest building in Singapore is the Guokou Tower of 290 meters. So that's why we never go to the tallest building in Singapore.
Why are we introducing Singapore in a Taipei video?
Because you asked me to Google.
Okay, back to the scheduled program.
Schedule. Let's go and see the Wind Temple. Let's go.
You mean Temple Baby?
Temple Baby?
It's called Temple Baby. The mascot of Taipei 101 is called Temple Baby.
Why would you want to temper a baby?
Let's go. Are you glad that they suddenly open up the 91st floor?
You want to see the view?
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Demons pushing all my triggers. Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. Cause
if I lift up, then you will throw it.
Is that you're lifting it up, is it?
Yeah.
Put it up. Lift it up. Is it like some withdrawal symptom?
Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker.
Wow. This is like how my mom always make that soup I like, but she never make for damn long already. Mom, are you hearing this?
Eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet.
No, it doesn't smell as bad as I thought.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Doesn't, right? Famous last words.
Hello. Can you please let us know?
I'm trying to wait to see if you got a delayed reaction or not. The side is okay. Then the taste starts to come. It's not like when you eat and you're like, oh, it's not what I imagined. So that's why I was waiting to see whether like you know like sometimes you eat wasabi like that. Why must you do the vegetable?
I think they use the vegetable for a reason. The cow side. It's a bit to like complement the taste. Yeah, but the chou comes at the back.
The chou comes after that, right?
Yeah, but it's still bearable.
No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet.
Super good. Yeah, 因为我是汤人。
Do you see?